Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Haki katu kat ni sengi ki bansawan ke Jylla Meghalaya kan sapelong ki Tamasa bat ki Jingïalehkai ki baharukam ha ka ba ki nong yeshim menta na keleng saudong ki Jylla bat na bari kin sawan ban yeshim menta. Hendrai hadian ke jingja syak syok syak dat ki riu pat ba ha ka sengi ba ka seng FKJGP kala pelong ki jingiat pat ba umintri rang ba u Conrad ki Sangma ula ong ba na kaliang ka sarkar kala Pyntikna ba kandan tang ka jing sok Hapoh ka Jylla bat ban Pyntikna ba baro ki Tamasa kinyat bet kumba ki de banyat. Ulang babaro kibor ka anya Hapoh ka Jylla bat kibor snong kilalong ki bakloy wan yetrei lang bakan omdan kanu ka jing sya pendik. Ulang ba khnang man pelong ka North East Olympics bat ya baro ki Tamasa ki job kadon kam ya baro kibor bade khmi bat kinong song snong ka Jylla ba kin yetrei lang ban ai ka jing sngo sngan ye ki bawan Jingïalehkai bat ki bawan petkai bat khnang balada ki te ki brio ki nit phai shla ki jong ki Jylla bat ki ri jong ki kin sngo tanat ye ka jingwan Hapoh ka ni ka Jylla ka jongi.
Absolutely not. They will not be. And as per the situation only, that time there was a call for, and when permission was sought for a rally and a procession, which was denied. And based on that, of course, discussions were held with the Home Minister. Some of the organizations have sought an appointment with me also, and I have given an appointment to them to discuss whatever issues that are there. I want to assure everybody that every step will be taken to ensure that there is peace in the state and in the capital, to ensure that all the festival programs, all the different kind of, different, what do you call this, festivals that we're having, that they will be held in a proper manner. And at the same time, we are involving all different stakeholders in the process to ensure that everything goes off peacefully. Large stakeholders who are locals are automatically involved in this and are affected in this. Large number of athletes who will be playing in the games also are involved in this. So therefore it is our own people who are part of this entire festival and who will be benefited by this. So therefore it is in the interest of the people of the state itself, and hence the government will ensure that every step is taken to ensure that there is complete protection as well as peace in the city and the state.
State government communicated to other state government assuring that the peace will
Absolutely. We have 4,000 people who have agreed to participate. We'll be having, we've just received confirmation also that one of the union ministers will be coming for the inauguration day, and we also expect a few of the chief ministers to also be coming. As we had mentioned that to make this this entire Northeast Olympics as well as other programs a success, it is important that all stakeholders and the society as a whole we work together, so that every step is taken to make everybody feel welcome, and at the same time to ensure that people go back with a very positive memory of this particular games and also of the festivals that are there. And hence we feel that all stakeholders should be part of this. I was happy today that many of the Rangvashnongs had come, and they have assured us that they will participate and work with us, and we are happy to see that there will be positive response, and we will do whatever it takes, as I said, to ensure that these games go off in as good a manner as possible, and no stone will be left unturned to ensure that these games come out as a success.